What's going on, guys? We're back out in the garage, and as you can see, we kind of had to do a garage reset. Huge cleanup. We can actually move around in here. Ultimate goal for today, we want to try and get. Ultimate goal for today is we want to try and get all the boards in and fitted and bolted down. We want to finish getting the drivetrain set up, and then maybe if we can find the time, we're going to restart this engine so you can hear it. If you're on my Instagram, you've already heard it, but we're going to try and do it again just to make it more YouTube official. So hopefully you enjoy it. I'm going to try and talk more along with the work instead of a lot of time lapses. We'll do the best that we can with what we got. Hang in there and hope you enjoy it. So here's what we're running into. I'm going to move you up so you can actually see me. So here's what we're running into. This is a factory floorboard. See how thin it is? I mean, these are actually reasonably solid. They're not rotted out too bad, but we wanted to replace them. We wanted to put in new just to make it a little better off. That's the thinnest marine plywood we could get. So yeah, we have to do some clearancing. We have to do some custom cuts and shaving and trimming and angles to make this fit in place of those. So this could be a fun afternoon. I'm going to move you guys over here because I'm going to be throwing some dust. And I prefer to not have dust blowing on the camera. And instead of having you watch me just drill and screw it and drill and screw it and drill and screw it, I decided to just go ahead, get ahead of you, and I drilled, screwed, washered, all the floorboards are installed. Center console or center hump is installed. Everything's solid. was a lot of work. Got the fuel pump installed there. Obviously, I got a lot more cleaning to do. A lot of cleaning to do. I do want to try and get the drive shaft in today. A couple other odds and ends buttoned up. We're going to try and get the water pump on, which is here. Water pump goes on, and the thermostat housing. I want to try and get those, get the paint scuffed off, get the gaskets on there, get them sealed up. So that'd be another thing done. You see the direct pinion that we did earlier. Another video. Get that all done, and now we're going to start working on the front spindles and kingpins and everything, and start getting our brakes put back together. Pretty soon we're going to have a go-kart. The only thing will be missing is a body. So let's get back to work. What's up, buddy? Give it to her. Trying not to run it too hot. Trying. We need to get fuel in the carbs. Yep. And I'm trying to just hand feed it. Good. We gotta get this carbs rebuilt.
Yep. Gotta get fuel to it too.
38 years this car sat in the garage. What do you think now?
Right.
It's alive. And these carbs are definitely a problem. So we got to get them rebuilt, get fuel to them instead of this handy dandy setup. And then we go from there. Awesome to hear it run. So we have other cars that we purchased as projects. We didn't tear these ones down. There's a 71 Mach 1. We purchased this along with the parts car. And we have most all the parts for it, but like it needs pieces welded in here and there, but for the most part it's pretty solid. And then we have a 66 Mustang down under here. We purchased this car and started restoring it, and just here again we had this going, and then we got the MGA, and we just had too many projects going on. So that's where we ended up, that we just got overwhelmed. We had parts everywhere, couldn't find anything. So that's why I did this. We got shelves, everything's organized. We can find everything, there's the fenders. So all the parts are here. I'm going through the nuts and bolts, which are here. Getting everything organized, like there's the body bolts, etc. Then we can get going further on the finale of it. And you can see I got like wheel wells painted, but with the original floorboard here. Move my camera back. Okay, so there's the original Alamo beige. Oof. But you can see we got a lot of just surface rust down in here. There's all the original wiring. This is all the original tags. And then they have car number. Then they have engine number, which doesn't match cars. They never did, but they have a series. This is where the pedals attach. So the master cylinder goes in here and attaches to your two pedals. There is the massive wiring harness that's on it. Yes, it has 2 fuses for the entire car. Very basic. So we have to go in, we have to wire wheel all of this, get every bit of this cleaned out, sanded. That way we can get it all painted in a good, pretty black before we start putting it back together. Same in here. We have to do all of that, and this is all under dash. You can see where we rebuilt the rockers.
Hi.
Hi. Here and here.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. So, slowly but surely, we are making progress. We are making it back into a beautiful, beautiful piece of machinery. Lift this up. And here's the back. And it's not, there's no holes in it anymore. We got everything done there. That's the spare tire wheel cover. But all of this needs done. I mean, I have to replace that, but this all just needs ground down, cleaned up, painted because it's going to be painted black. So it will all have to be done. All the chrome will get either repolished or replaced. And I mean, like the bumpers are not good on this car. Where are they? There's one back there. The bumpers just are in not good shape. These are the doors. They're actually aluminum. So fortunately they don't rust, but they're hard to work with. These fenders are going to be a pain in the butt. And then here is some of the original carpeting, which is not in the greatest shape. The original carpet is not in the greatest shape, but it's there. See, like this chunk here would originally go right here. So that'll go there, and then they have a little snap that closes this off, and there's a little rubber plug. But we have a lot of the original carpet, but it's gonna have to be replaced, because like, look at that. That's just wear through from the shoes because of how tight the wheel well is. So, I already got the gas tank redone. But, yeah, slow and steady will win this race. Here's the convertible top frame. I'm getting down to slim pickings here, thankfully. Either way, guys, I'm tired. I'm gonna head home, get a shower, we're gonna get cleaned up. Tomorrow's Memorial Day, so we're gonna try and enjoy that. As always, guys, we'll see you on the flip side.